Hey, Joey Monaco here. This video is going to go over my code for CSC 110, Quiz 3, Question 1. So right here we have the whole code for Quiz 3, Question 1. In the beginning you import all of the turtle functions. You define the window, the background color, and who the turtle is. In this case, we're going to go with Tess. So the first line is a defined function, and it's going to be our main helper function. This tells the turtle what color she's going to be, how far forward she's going to go, and what direction left she's going to turn. So my main function, multicolored square, uses that helper function to determine the size, the color, and the left direction to create a whole square. So here we have the for loop for I in color 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then down below is our helper function, where we put I in the last parameter to go through all of these colors. Then at the very end is our main function, multicolored square, test 50, red, green, blue, and magenta. I'm going to run this. You will not be able to see it get drawn because it opens on my other monitor. However, I am bringing it over, and it draws this, which is pretty cool if you ask me. That's question 1 on quiz 3 for CSC 110.